What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to do a front, inner, middle parking sensor on a 2007 Bentley Continental without taking off the bumper. These are some of the tools that are required for you to have to fully complete this job. Please take a moment to pause and make sure you have all of them before starting. If you're going to jack up your car for this repair, start by putting your car into jack mode. If you guys don't know how to put your car into jack mode, please refer to my video on my channel, link in the description below. Start by removing the bottom grille. Pull down at the top to release the clips, then pull towards you. Make your way down to the bottom and do the same. Once out, put to the side. Next, remove the one fastener holding down the air dam to the front bumper with our T30. Once removed, put to the side. The old sensor is held down by two tabs, so to remove the sensor, all you have to do is push the tabs up while pushing it out. Start by dislodging the air dam and pulling down with either your trim panel or your hand, whichever one is easier. Once the air dam is down, start by sticking your hand up and feeling your way, making your way to the sensor. Once you find that sensor, feel the sensor for the two clips holding it in place. Pry the top clip up and push the parking sensor forward, releasing it from its clip. When the top clip is released, make your way down to the bottom and do the same. When the parking sensor is fully released, pull it down so it's visible. Remove the connector by prying up on the connector tab and pulling the parking sensor. Then install new parking sensor. When going in, all you have to do is find the hole with the parking sensor and slide the parking sensor in till it snaps in place. I recommend gently tugging on it to make sure it's fully secured to avoid any other problems. Re-tuck in the air dam above and behind the front bumper. Next, we're going to reinstall our T30 bolt. I always recommend by hand first before gunning down. Next, reinstall the lower grille starting from the bottom, pushing that forward, then snapping the top back in place. Once you got the top and bottom in, make your way to the sides to make sure that grille is fully secured. Lastly, if you guys put your car into jack mode, don't forget to take it out of jack mode before driving off. Congratulations, guys, you now know how to do a front parking sensor on a 2007 Bentley Continental. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys found this video informative, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos.